So if you're not happy with TikTok's new update in which you can see the you may like suggestions in the search results, we'll see that how you can remove this you may like section completely. So the first thing you have to do is you can simply press this refresh button available next to the you may like button, and you may stop seeing the suggestions that you are not happy with. This was the first thing, but if you are still not happy with it, you can go back, and after that you can go to your profile section, and after that you have to tap on this hamburger icon available at the top right corner of the screen and go to settings and privacy. From here you have to scroll down, and here you get an option Activity Center under the Content and Display tab. So tap on Activity Center. From here you have to go with the third option in this list, which is search history, and after that tap on the select button and remove all the search history that you have searched up to the day. This will lower the content suggestions and the things which are appearing in your search results. For example, if I come back here and refresh this page, then you will not be able to see the search history that you have searched up to the day. One more thing that you can do is you can go back, and after that again go to your profile and tap on these three lines available at the top right corner of the screen and go to settings and privacy. And from here you have to scroll down and you get an option here, notifications, under the content and display section. So after going into notifications you have to scroll down, and here under personalized post suggestions, make sure that these three buttons are turned off. When these suggestions are turned off, you can go back and close the TikTok application and open it again. And now when you go to the search button, the suggestions may be removed or they will be similar to your interests. But if you want to remove this feature completely from your search and you do not want any suggestion to appear in this search results, then let's move towards the solution which removes this feature completely. For that purpose, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or Microsoft Edge or any of the browsers that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here TikTok old version and hit the search button. And this website named Up to Down, which have the title older versions of TikTok, you have to tap on it. And when you are directed to its main homepage, here you can see that the latest version of TikTok was released on September 9 and today's date is September 10. So this update was released recently, so we have to go back and scroll through this page, and we have to scroll down until we find the version of TikTok in which there was not any feature like you may like suggestions which we are seeing on TikTok. And we have scrolled down to 21st June, and let's scroll some more, and let's say this version named 39.8.4, which was released on May 16, 2025. I'm more than pretty sure that this you may like search suggestions feature was not introduced up to May 2025. So let's tap on it and simply download this APK, and in this TikTok application you will not see any feature like these search suggestions. But keep in mind that when you install this older version of TikTok, do not update your TikTok application, otherwise you will again start seeing this kind of search suggestions. Now do let me know in the comments that which solution worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.